Welcome to Zia's Kitchens. Today let us make a puttu recipe. This is tapioca puttu. I made this puttu with garden fresh tapioca. It is very spongy and very soft puttu. Very healthy also and very easy to make. Everyone can try this for breakfast or even for dinner. This is my father-in-law's helping hand taking out tapioca from our garden. First of all, we have to clean the tapioca, wash this thoroughly and peel off the skin, and we are going to grate this. Using the big eye grater, grate it slowly and carefully. Like this. Yes, now this is all done. This tapioca has starch in this. First of all, we have to squeeze it out all the starch from the tapioca. You have to use your hand only. With full strength, you have to squeeze out all the starch. Now you can see the starch is coming out. Meanwhile, those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications of our new uploads. Please do like and also share to your friends and relatives. Now this is the starch. This we should not use because it will upset your stomach. So now this is done. We are going to add the rice powder to this. I have taken 3/4 cup of rice powder for this. Just mix it. Add salt as per your taste and again mix it. Water, this will not need more water, only little water will be enough. Just sprinkle little water and just mix it. This consistency is, if you hold the dumpling should not break. Yes, this is the correct consistency. Now let us start making the puttu. In the puttu steamer, layer by layer we have to add the grated coconut and also the tapioca mixture. And at the top again add the grated coconut, and close the lid of the puttu steamer. So keep it on the steamer and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes. You can see the steam is coming out slowly. It will take up to 7 minutes. Now you can see the steam is coming out forcefully. This is almost done now. Now very spongy and very soft puttu is ready. You can have this puttu with spicy fish curry or fish roast, or even with banana and hot tea. Anything will go very tasty with this special puttu. Thanks for watching.